age of steam awakens in a world where gears grind and corsets reign. Goggles are not just eyewear, they are a statement of adventure and ingenuity. Clockwork hearts beat in harmony with steam-powered souls. Corsets are not just fashion, but armor in a world of gears and steam. Airships soar through skies filled with adventure and intrigue. Mechanical marvels blur the line between man and machine. Steam-powered automatons dance with eerie grace and precision. The secrets of the past fuel the innovations of the future. Hidden gears turn the wheels of fate. Submarines plunge into the depths, revealing forgotten worlds. Automated factories churn out wonders and weapons alike. Courageous inventors risk everything for their groundbreaking creations. Ruthless industrialists exploit innovation for personal gain. Daring aerial duels decide the fate of nations. Secret societies plot in the shadows, manipulating world events.